Do you want to know how to create these cutout images for your Instagram posts so that you can look cool and increase your engagement? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and add that white outline around them and give them a shadow, and all for free on an app on your phone. Exactly. So let's get into this video. I'll show you exactly step by step how to get there. So grab your phones and let's download this app. Alright, so I'm going to switch over to screen share here so you can see exactly what I'm doing.
So we're going to go into the Bazaart Art. I'm going to upload a photo of me. Try to pick something without a distracting background. Then we're going to hit the erase button. And then you're going to slowly work around the image and erase the background. This may take a little bit of time, especially if you have curly hair. There's a lot of details, but it's worth it, I guess. Then you want to hit outline, and this is where you can give the image that outline. You can make this as big as you want or as small and dainty around your image. You can also change the color of the outline, which is pretty cool. I think I'm going to go with red for this one, but I do like the yellow as well. Then let's add a little bit of shadow. So for the shadow, you can move the shadow around, and you can also intensify or change the color of the shadow. So here I'm going to show you a few options, but I do love black, but you can also make it darker or make it a very subtle shadow. You can also move the image around, make it smaller or bigger, and this is how it's going to be saved. Then we can add a different color to the background. So if you go to background, you can add a gradient, or you can just keep it transparent, which is what I usually do because I don't want a background. Then you're going to save it. But here is what happens. When you just save it to your phone, you're going to see that the logo shows on the image. However, I want you to airdrop it to your computer. Then you're going to open up the image in Canva, and this is sneaky, but we're cropping out the logo and we're going to add some text to it, and that is how you can create these amazing cutout images with an outline and a shadow. If you've enjoyed this video, guys, let me know in the comments and share the video with someone who will.